Hello, in this video, I want to very quickly show you how I made this banner header in Canva for my Canvas class. So here's the student view of what it looks like to get started. So I brought this in as an image. I also created these buttons in Canva. So let's go ahead and get started by moving over to Canva. And you can look for the templates here. If you type in Canvas banners, you actually find some Canvas banners. These were not the ones that I chose from, but maybe you'll find what you like here. Instead, I just typed in math header images, and then I found one that I liked. So I picked this one, and then I pressed customize this template. Now there's a couple more steps. First of all, I just wanted to swap out this picture here, but I kind of liked the way these kind of looked all matching in terms of the illustration. So what I did was I clicked on the image here that I wanted to replace, and I clicked on the info button, and then I saw that this was created by Sketchify, so I just clicked on that. And then I had a bunch of images that kind of seemed to fit this theme. So I just scrolled through that and I found one that I liked. So this was the one that I ended up choosing. So I just clicked that, and then I deleted this one, of course, and I resized it. And then you can lock things into place like that. So you can see that the grid lines all match up perfectly. And then one thing was this was taller than I wanted it to be because I tried pulling it in and I wanted something that was skinnier because I didn't want so much scrolling on the page. So I did go ahead and resize this. So it was originally 1920 by 480 and I changed that to only be 350 tall. And then instead of copy and resize, which was the default, I just resized it right there. And that worked well. You can see that it did put more space on the edges because obviously it resized, but I actually liked the way that looked on my page, so I kept it like that. So once I had this done, all you do is you can rename it. I do recommend naming things well, so I renamed it Demo Course Banner. Oh, and I forgot to change the actual welcome to. I changed it to Demo Course. And then I changed the font that I wanted to use here. I liked this one, and then I made it bigger like that. And then I just deleted this text out there because I didn't need it. And that was it. So now I'm good to go. Download it. And then I just left the default download type. Then I went back over to my Canvas course and I pressed edit. What I did was I wanted it between these horizontal bars. I don't know why, I thought it looked nice. So all I did was, let me go ahead and delete everything so we can start from scratch. Okay, I started by inserting a horizontal line. Then I went to image and I just uploaded that image from Canvas. I used the alt text to say demo course banner here, submit. Boom, that brought that in perfectly. Then I pressed enter. I inserted another horizontal line and then I pressed save. And then it looked great. But one thing that I noticed was if I made my screen smaller, I had to scroll like this for my banner, which I definitely didn't want. So to fix that, click on the image, click on image options, and then instead of the dimension types being pixels, change it to percentage. And I found that I did 98. You could do 100, but 98 fit with the tables that I had already done. So 98 worked well. Then when I pressed save, you'll see that It looks pretty much the same when I'm in a large screen, but when I make it smaller, it just resizes to fit. So that is the last piece of information that I really recommend that you do when you pull in the image. Again, just click on the image, go to image options, and then dimension type, make it percentage, and you could make it between 98 and 100% so that as students maybe resize it, or if they're on different types of laptops that might be larger or smaller, that it all looks good. So please do that last step. All right, that is about it. Save and you should be good to go. I hope that this was easy to follow, gave you some ideas, and that you'll have fun designing. All right, bye.